If you're renting the QSC powered PA system, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to use it confidently. This system's ideal for small to medium venues with live or DJ music. You can use a single speaker by itself with a built-in mixer or in conjunction with two speakers and a sub. Let's talk about how to set this PA system up. First, place each of the speakers on top of the stand 10 to 15 feet apart. Take the sub and put it on the ground under either of the speakers. If you're using a mixer, you can either place it on the sub or a table off to the side. To set it up, the first thing we'll want to do is plug it into the wall and power it on. If using a microphone without a mixer, take your microphone, plug it directly into channel A, speak into the mic, and bring up your gain until you get the proper volume. Check, check. If you're using this speaker without a mixer, and you're going to plug a computer or mobile device in, simply plug your aux cable into stereo C in, turn up your gain, and this in goes to your laptop or mobile device. If you are using this speaker with a mixer, come from the output of your mixer directly into channel 1. Then, turn your gain up to 0. When using this speaker in conjunction with another QSC K10.2, plug your devices in here, then come out of the output, and we're going to take this end and plug it into our second speaker. Turn the volume on your second speaker to 0. It will now be controlled by the volume and mixer on the first. The QSC K10.2 has a built-in DSP. What that means is that we can go into presets and we can tell it exactly what we're doing. Are we doing live music, dance, stage monitors, or do we even want to use it as a bass amp or an acoustic guitar amp? Once you have the setting you want, press enter and it will change the EQ and all the settings to sound as good as possible for that particular input. If you're using this speaker in conjunction with the sub, go to the crossover, hit enter, and you can choose the crossover frequency that you want it to cross over at. Hit enter when you're done. Now let's take a look at the back of the sub. Our first step is to plug it in and turn it on. Then we'll take the output of the speaker above it and plug into the input. Line in. Next, turn your gain up to 0 and you're set. Then, we need to go to our crossover point that we chose on our top speaker and match that. And that covers everything you need to know to use this system successfully. Again, if you're using any other components, be sure to check out the videos on how to use those too. If you need any more assistance, call us at the Doo-Wop Shop.